Beginning this hour, we take a close look at the flood recovery efforts across Vietnam following heavy rains, particularly in the South Central region. And with a few days left until the new year arrives, all sectors are doing their best to restart their production.
Right now, looking back, Phương Anh, the impacts of the series of storms and post-typhoon floodings has been quite severe. And right now, the central task has been to recover traffic and connectivity. Now, nearly a month after the flood in Nghe An province, and residents and school children in Nga My commune are still risking their lives on makeshift rafts to cross a fast-moving stream. The only bridge in Gam village was washed away, isolating more than 150 people. To cross the Nam Ngan stream, residents have been forced to build improvised rafts and rig pulley ropes across fast-flowing deep water. Most concerning, children continue to pole themselves across the stream daily to get to school, facing extremely dangerous conditions. Local authorities say they are urgently appealing to higher levels of government for support to build a temporary bridge, calling it a critical need to restore safe travel, protect lives, and help stabilize daily life for flood-affected communities.